Hello students, my name is Dr. Bhakti Khisti and today I am going to explain you about the quality control in the homeopathy. See, the acceptability of any drug is fully depend on its quality, its standard, and in this chapter we are going to study about the quality control in the homeopathy. My dear students, quality control is a total procedure for providing the standard medicine to the patient. In this process, we have to know about the receipt of the raw material till the production of the medicine, till the distribution of the medicine. Quality control is not only any laboratory procedure but also the procedures through which a raw material is transformed to the drug and the finished product till it is used by the patients. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann was fully dependent on the pure quality of the homeopathic medicines, and he mentioned in his section 264 and 265 of 6th edition of the Organon of Medicine about it. In section 264, he particularly mentioned about the genuineness of the medicine, while in section 265, he mentioned about the prescription of the correct chosen medicine to the patient. Now, what is the definition of the quality? See, quality can be defined as the status of a drug that is determined by identity, purity, content, and the other chemicals, physicals, biological properties, or by the manufacturing process involved in maintaining the quality and validity of the manufactured product. While studying the pharmacy, you have to know the meaning of each and every word from this definition. Now, first one is identity. See, identity of any drug means the quality of that drug. Next one is purity. You know about the purity. Third one is content. Now, contents mean the satisfied effect of that drug. Are you with me? The content means the satisfied effect of any drug. Now, the chemical, physical, biological properties. See, the biological properties means the chemical and physical reactions provide energy to maintain the living function. It is called as the biological properties. The physical properties include the color, the taste, palatability, smell of the medicine. So, while you are preparing the medicine, till its preparation, from its preparation till the patient took the medicine, these properties remain as it is, and for that you have to know about the quality control. The quality control is not only the analytical testing of the finished product but also the procedure beginning with the receipt of the raw material and continuing throughout the production, packing, operation, finished product testing, documentation, surveillance, and its distribution. Here the surveillance means the close observation. जो भी मेडिसिन हम बना रहे हैं उसे जो रॉ मटेरियल लगता है वहाँ से लेकर उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन तक हमें हर चीज़ पता होनी चाहिए, हर चीज़ हम वो ऑब्जर्व करनी चाहिए. दिस इज़ what means the quality control. Now, quality control procedure are responsible for the standardization by which the quality of a commodity may be assessed by ascribing the numerical value. Now, what you mean by the commodity? Commodity means a raw material. See, the raw material, you have to know about the quality of that raw material in the numerical value. The quality should not only be tested at the end but must be carried out right from the moment of receipt of raw material right through processing till the final packing. मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए जो भी आपको रॉ मटेरियल लग रहा है, जो भी मीडियम लग रहा है, जो भी आप व्हीकल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, हर चीज़ की प्योरिटी चेक होनी चाहिए, हर चीज़ की क्वालिटी एक न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Now, what is the aim of the quality control? The quality control is a total procedure for providing the standard medicine to the patients. And quality control for efficacy and safety of homeopathic product is of paramount importance. Aim of quality control is very easy to understand. Now, next is the objective of the quality control. Now, first one in the objective, complies with the quality specification. Now, what we mean the compliance? See, compliance is to follow a specific order. Especially in the case of the experiment design, you have to follow the rules, you have to obey some order of specification. Next one is contain the correct ingredient in the correct proportion. You must have to use a correct ingredient in a correct proportion to prepare the medicine, to maintain the quality of that medicine. Now, maintain the up to date purity. The purity has to be checked at each and every step. Next, has been correctly processed as specified in the different pharmacopoeia. Means while you are preparing the medicines, it should be the process should be mentioned in any of the pharmacopoeia like GHP, HPI, HPUS, BHP, any of the pharmacopoeia. Next one is packed in the proper container. The medicine which you prepared should be packed in a proper container. The container should be airtight, and you know all the specifications related to the container in the chapter instruments. Next one, bears the proper label. You have to label properly to each and every bottle. Next one is properly store for maintain a proper quality. The quality word is missing here, but you have to store the medicine in a proper way. आप लोगों को पता है मेडिसिन स्टोर करने के लिए एयर कंडीशन रूम शुड बी ड्राई, या जो डायरेक्ट सनलाइट है वो नहीं आना चाहिए, कहीं पर भी डस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, कहीं पर भी डैम्प नहीं होना चाहिए. ये सब जो है हम पहले ही इसमें पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके, सो द मेडिसिन इज प्रॉपरली स्टोर फॉर द मेंटेन द प्रॉपर क्वालिटी ऑफ द मेडिसिन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज फैक्टर्स or parameters for the quality control. See, in the factors of quality control, the 6 main factors are there: the material, the personnel, equipment, environment, and the method. These 5 are most important parameters or the factors. Now, first one is material. See, मटेरियल मीन्स हमको जो भी मटेरियल लगता है राइट फ्रॉम द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मेडिसिन टिल द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन द मटेरियल. द क्वालिटी ऑफ ऑल मटेरियल फ्रॉम रॉ प्रोडक्ट टू द फिनिश प्रोडक्ट include the packing material must be carefully controlled and supervised. The proper system must be evolved for the purchase and receipt of materials and raw product, their testing, storage, and finally their issues for manufacturing of dosage form. At the same time, the proper record should be maintained for all such transaction. रॉ मटेरियल खरीदने से जो मेडिसिन है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करने तक एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम आपको मेंटेन होना चाहिए, प्रॉपर रिसिप्ट होने चाहिए, प्रॉपर पैकिंग मटेरियल होने चाहिए. एवरीथिंग शुड बी रिक्वायर इन द मटेरियल. द सिमिलर प्रोसीजर आर अडॉप्टेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कंटेनर्स, closures, cartoons, labels, etc. This everything is required in the material. You require the container, require the cartoons, proper labels, everything. proper record should be maintained for all such kind of the transaction is a very important. The second one is personnel. The people involved in processing and packaging the products and other related jobs are the most significant factor in quality control. Every manufacturer must have a proper system of selection of personnel and of their training. See, मेडिसिन बनाते वक्त हर डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग होता है. पैकेजिंग डिपार्टमेंट अलग होता है, रॉ मटेरियल अलग होता है, प्रोसेसिंग डिपार्टमेंट अलग होता है और पैकिंग डिपार्टमेंट अलग होता है. हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग रहता है. तो while selecting the persons you have to first train them according to their work and then you have to fix their exact location, their department, whether they are going to work. So in case of personnel, the people who are involved in the processing packaging department are well trained is very necessary. Next one is equipment. The equipment used in the manufacturing process are important to maintain the quality of the product. The equipment must be accurate and capable of reproducing quality as per the specification. We have to maintain the quality of the equipment. You have to take care of equipment so they can maintain the quality of the product. Now fourth one is environment. The environment under which the raw material are stored, processed and packaged are also very important because any contamination of pollutant may deteriorate the quality of the product. You know very well, we require the environment, a specific environment for the specific process. When you are in working in the processed area, the room should be air conditioned. While you are packing the medicine or while you are storing the medicine, that room must be airy. There is no direct sunlight and you have to maintain all these rules and regulations properly. So environment is required to maintain the quality of the medicine. You have to maintain a proper environment. Next one is methods. The methodology for the manufacturer of homeopathic medicine must be conform of homeopathic principle. Hahnemannian method should be followed as far as possible. The modified technique is also used due to increased demands of the profession. You have to use the new techniques, the modified techniques which are available in the market to increase the demand of the profession and try to maintain the Hahnemannian method as far as possible. Last one is infrastructure. The quality of product also depend of the suitable infrastructure. The infrastructure should be constructed as per GMP rules. That means a good manufacturing practices. See students, in infrastructure we had already learned in the topic laboratory methods. Infrastructure means the proper furniture. आपको आपके डिपार्टमेंट में एक फर्नीचर मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. फर्नीचर मस्ट बी वुडी, वेल पॉलिश्ड, ड्रॉवर्स होने चाहिए. जो मेडिसिन्स है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मेडिसिन ड्रॉवर जो है बड़े बड़े होने चाहिए. मेडिसिन एक दूसरे के अंदर मिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑल दीज आर इंक्लूडेड इन द लैब मेथड. We had already learned about that. So the infrastructure is very important in the quality control. Now this is about the quality control. This is about the factors which is required for the quality control, who had studied about the definition of quality, the aim of quality control, the objective of the quality control, and the factors or parameters required for the quality control. This is all for the today's lecture. Thank you very much. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.